talking there about Martin Luther King Day on Monday. No school for most kids around here, and that might be a good thing because there's some stuff heading our way.
Yep, coming in this weekend, we have a system with accumulation likely, but everything else beyond that sentence, Ray, seems to be still up in the air.
Yeah, and this could be a significant snowfall. So this is a system that we've been watching closely since we started noticing it early in the week, and it's going to continue to build towards us, and there is that good shot that it will bring some precipitation. We do have a little precipitation right now. It's in the form of light rain. This is not causing too many issues, and as we lose a couple degrees in the next couple of hours, we could see a little more snow trying to mix in with this. And as our temperatures fall to freezing or below, freezing is 32 degrees. Just know anything that's wet could become slick, but we're not anticipating that to be a widespread problem. So temperatures to about freezing tonight. Tomorrow, we're going to get our temperatures back into the mid-30s. So a couple degrees shy of average. Very cold Saturday. And then we have a winter storm system coming in Sunday and Monday. And our temperatures are going to be hovering around freezing for that. Temperatures build up briefly midweek before they come crashing back down. But let's talk about how we are going to get into this winter system. Tonight, that rain is going to wrap up. We'll have maybe a spotty flurry in the morning. That should wrap up with mostly cloudy skies left behind that carry us into the cold start of the weekend. Then we're going to be watching a winter storm system build in here, and we have two model solutions that we've been watching closely. One is the European model, which has one low. The other one is the American model, which sort of features two lows. And where we get some issues, even though these are starting to pump out the same things for precipitation amounts and such, when you have two lows, sometimes the secondary low can get absorbed by the main one and you lose some of that back snow. So we have to watch closely for that. Sometimes these lows will track a little further to the east, but they're starting to come closer and closer together. We're just waiting for some more consensus. But you can see very similar pictures where the European has just a little less snow for the Pittsburgh area right now, and the American has more. But again, several inches could fall. We're going to show you the American model here. They don't look too different. It's just, if you think about math class, you have to show your work. You might get the answer right, but if you don't show your work, you don't get the credit. When you're showing the work of these two systems, that's where they start to, come up a little differently and where you have to watch them a little differently. But there is that potential for a pretty good band of snow, and the bulk of it you're going to find falls nighttime Sunday into the wee morning hours of Monday. That's where both models, longer range models, are showing these heavier snow showers. Still some snow early on Monday, and then it starts to taper off throughout the course of the day. But several inches of snow, not out of the question. We are starting to get more information into the main energy of this storm since it's now on shore up there in the Pacific Northwest. And into tomorrow, we should have a pretty good handle on how we're expecting this one to start moving through. And everything should start to line up a little better, at least model-wise. That's our hope. 30 degrees is what we're looking for tonight. Mostly cloudy skies. Come tomorrow, 34. Mostly cloudy, and again, an early flurry, but there's not going to be too much of that to go around. The 7-day forecast. This shows our temperatures go from 34 tomorrow to 22 Saturday. The snow Sunday and Monday, so that's winter punch number one. Winter punch number two comes late next week. That's where our temperatures, highs, dip into the mid-teens, lows around 10, and I'm being sort of conservative with those numbers, and even colder temperatures still into Friday next week. So a very cold setup to end things there. But the first thing we need to get through is Sunday into Monday's snow. And remember, with a system on the way, get alerts as soon as they're issued. If a winter storm watch or warning is issued, you will get it as soon as it comes in with the KDKA weather app. It's available for free in the App Store and Google Play. And all you have to do is go to that store and search CBS Pittsburgh.